What?
Jack Black
Jack Black versus the
Sparky.
This is so cute.
I know. I think he's scared. Nah. What you doing, Jack Black? Need me? Go get him, Jack. Go get the Sparks. Go get him. Get him, Jack. Go get him.
I just thought Tyler Jackson.
Oh, is Sparky eating him?
Is he?